lucky charm. You must have heard of that. Well, our next celebrity tonight considers her partner her lucky charm. And her partner, on the other hand, did not know that she's a celebrity before he approached her. She has modeled for leading brands, she's done Kannada, Telugu and Punjabi films, and now she's a heartthrob with million TV viewers. And the partner is a handsome man from South. And today he owns one of the most renowned bag companies called the Bag Talk. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the gorgeous Anita Hasnandani and her dear, dear handsome husband Rohit Reddy. Thanks guys, seriously, for gracing Showbiz with Barbies and being here. Well, this gives us a lot of chance to do a lot of gupshup and talk to each other because we always meet in the loud music in parties.
Yeah.
And now at least here we can get to know each other much more.
True.
And anyway, Anita, it's been a long inning, 16 years since Kabhi Swatan Kabhi Saheli. So how much has changed?
Well, everything has changed. The way people shoot, the way people work. You know, the medium only has become something else altogether. The cameras, the lights. But it's been a beautiful journey, and I'm really happy and content with where I've reached. It's been wonderful. The industry's been great.
Yes, the industry's been very kind to you.
Yeah,
And you are par excellence. We are very lucky to have an actress like you.
So sweet.
So brief me, what has changed so much?
Well, with the way you know, people take care of, you know, the little details. Earlier nobody would care about the clothes, the hair, the makeup.
Okay.
I remember I was 16 and I would literally go on set
baby
with, you know, whatever they would do to my face, and I would say, "Ha, ready." And of course the director
ready.
and of course the director of your show, Pankit, was opposite me.
God,
so
I know. And Rohit, sorry. Like you, I believe, did not know Anita is an actress.
it's a big lie.
I knew
That's
you would say
a
that.
big fat lie. I till date argue with him. He had said, you know, I think I've seen you somewhere.
Yeah.
But I didn't know you're an actress. That's not possible,
One second,
baby.
Bobby, see.
You watch TV, but maybe
One
you
second,
didn't
no, I
follow.
would never watch TV. That's the point. See,
Exactly.
I did my management and I.
Okay,
joined
his
work.
friends knew me.
But he didn't know.
Yeah, I am gonna answer this. So I was at this club, Elbow Room, which is like a really cute place.
Bandra, yeah.
And this good-looking guy with dimples, you know, he comes up to me and he's like, "So you go to Lena Mogre's?" Such a cheesy line, and I'm like, cute to hai, kya bolu? But then I was like, no, I don't go to that gym. And then, you know, he like kind of flirted. He sent a beer across, and yeah, and I was single, and he was cute, and that's how it all started.
Okay. But anyway, now that's really a sweet story. Finally, I got the real story out of you guys. So you all are also working on the Bag Talk company, right?
Yeah.
So tell me something more about that.
Well, it's completely his baby.
Oh, it's his baby. Okay,
Yeah,
that's nice.
and he, you know, I've always wanted to design maybe clothes, never thought of bags, but the passion that I had for designing clothes, I think in a way I can, you know, design bags, and it's also very creative. So I'm really enjoying it, and it's been great.
And let me ask you that taking a fun ride in a magical car, what would be your destination? And what kind of places you would like to stop by on the way?
There would be one destination where you can eat whatever you want and not put on any
she
weight.
loves eating.
She loves to eat.
I don't know
I
how
was
do you
just waiting.
maintain.
So the first destination should be a pizza joint. I was just waiting for that. I knew she would say that.
Okay, and yours?
So I think the favorite destination would have to be home, right? Because we are out most of the time, and the eventual destination has to be home, wherein you are at comfort, right? And you stop by wherein we believe that we have lovely friends. I think we would love to stop by our best friends' houses
sweet.
So
or
cute.
somewhere wherein we can just meet people.
That's
more often.
beautiful
And create
answer.
more magic.
Yeah.
Beautiful answer. Nobody's given this answer so far. Well, anyway, let's get a little more up close and personal. Let's get into a skeleton check. Something more about you. So this segment is called the skeleton check, and we look into your cupboard to find something interesting.
Okay.
So Rohit, what has been your experience of marrying a celebrity?
So when she was doing the show, Ye Hai Mohabbatein, right, and she was playing the first time she was playing a negative character, there would be moment every night for more than 6 months. Every night she would come back and cry.
Okay, I'm gonna cry now. Don't do this.
Why?
Okay, and because it was a negative show,
Was
when
it
she
affecting her?
there were people on social media who would be very nasty, very abusive. She would.
Okay, let's cut this story out. No, but,
So, but-
social media has become very nasty.
Because you
Yeah.
have access, they believe that they have access to everybody, right? Because it is.
They think they just own you.
And
Yeah.
they don't understand that the real life and the real life is
You okay?
apart.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah,
Every
that's
night.
true. I've been through it myself as well. Anyways, so Anita, since you have a background of Telugu movies as well, so let's test your language. Why don't you say something in Telugu? But basically, you say something, no cheating.
Okay.
Let's do one thing. You give her a score and don't be biased.
నేను మీకు చాలా ఇష్టం.
8 on 10.
What is that?
Like, I really like you.
ఆకలేస్తుంది,
I'm hungry.
నిద్రేస్తుంది.
Which goes for
I'm sleepy.
Oh, not
See, I
bad.
can understand.
Wow,
I can
10
understand
on
really
10.
well. But I can't speak. Because my dad was in the army and we lived up north all the time.
That's great. And one serious question about health. In case you have a shoot lined up next day and you're not feeling well today, then how do you manage to complete the shoot without looking flushed on screen? And goes the same for you. I mean, if you have work, so then how do you manage to complete your work?
Depends on how I'm feeling. I always pop in a vitamin C or something, and you know my doctors are on message ke agar kuch feel hua whatever, I'll inform the shoot people also, guys, I'm a little low, I'll finish my work, but if something happens to me, just emergency ready hona chahiye, because I'm very these things scare me, so I like to pre-plan, and I'd probably have an ambulance on the set.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Precaution.
Yeah, I am very hyper about my fitness, my health, because
And
health is
you? Wealth.
wealth.
And you?
So I think I consume a lot of water when I'm a little down, right? And I consume a lot of multivitamins. Anyway, throughout the day I have a lot of multivitamins. But especially on days when I'm feeling a little off, I have a lot of water. And I think water makes you a little more, like a little more happier. I think that is one of my immediate go-to cures.
Great.
But I go through my regime, I go through my movements and stuff.
Okay.
I complete my day, yeah.
That's great. Be accessible to the right kind of health and wellness advice at the time of need. Download the Health for You app and get a chance to win a swanky autograph mug by your favorite celebrities. Rohit Reddy and Anita Hasnandani. What was the last surprise that Rohit gave to you?
He actually surprises me. Oh, recently,
You surprised
Wow.
me.
Yeah.
That reaction
Wow.
surprised me only.
it was 3 days back. So I was in Bangalore for a jewelry event, and I had no clue that my best friend Deepa, she started an event management company, Lit Spirit. So she was having an event, and I was to attend that. When he spoke to her, when he got, like, I literally entered the room, and then I opened the room and his clothes, his stuff, and I'm like, oh
What?
my god.
Oh
yeah.
my
So he
God.
just loves doing these
Wow.
kind of things.
We do these small surprises.
That is so sweet.
Yeah, we
That's
keep
what
doing
keeps
that.
the love going. I think that's
Absolutely.
great. And how much do you both love kids?
I love kids.
She likes
Love
kids.
kids.
Yeah. Actually, I started. So my brother has just
Jaden.
had a kid.
Every time we see him, we feel we're ready.
Oh,
For
that's
baby.
so cute. It's good now. It should come from within.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So, you all might go the family way very soon.
He's very scary as a guy.
You all will have very cute kids. But very cute kids.
Scary hai.
Baby, हो
Don't
जाएगा।
worry यार, तुम लोग कर लोगे.
मैं हूँ ना। मैं गैम्बल करूँगी बच्चे को संभालने। We're sorted.
Wow, amazing. Don't worry.
See? Scary ki
Scary hai.
बहुत scary hai.
Anyway, so let's get into the confession box now. This is a quick fire open heart surgery, okay? Confession box. Trust me, you're in safe hands and the operation will be very quick.
Okay.
So clean and maybe painful also.
Okay.
So confession
Okay.
box, be ready
Done.
for it.
Ready.
So Rohit, who did you imagine Anita was when you approached her, not without knowing she was an actor?
Model.
Ah, Ani, you Do you remember his pickup line? Must be like, you already said it, but
Yeah.
he must have given some cheesy line.
Waiter, do you work out in Lena Mulgrave? That too with an accent.
Please, huh?
Okay, so that was the cheesy line. Okay. So Rohit, she's a Sindhi, you're a Telugu. So tell me one thing, has there been any adjustment issues or it's just been crazy? Like any friction or it's been amazing?
It's become tough for me because I need to actually start learning Telugu. She knows more Telugu than me.
And you dated Rohit for 2 years before marrying him.
Yeah,
so
2.5.
2.5 to be
Yeah.
precise. So has anything changed since the dating days or it's been even more beautiful?
Just that he's not cooked for me in a really long time.
Oh, you cook?
Of course, I'm a very good cook.
To impress
Wow.
me, he used to like really cook. Only that one thing has changed. Otherwise, he does like, I mean, it's been 4 years and it's been just the
Bliss.
same. It's been bliss.
And Rohit, this is an interesting one.
Yeah.
What is your comment on Anita's mole? And if it was not there, where would you like it to be?
So first I thought ये कुछ इसने surgery करा के डाला है.
Just like तुमने dimple surgery करवा के
That was
दिया ना?
what you thought of first. You
Shut up.
But एकदम इतना actually she's known. Now she's become ubiquitous in terms of knowing. Like people have actually associated her with the mole.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sure. It's a lovely one.
It goes with her, right? So I think it's very unique. I haven't come across anybody who actually can carry this off. A lot of people actually are now getting
Yeah,
molds
they
off, right?
remove
through
it
surgery.
actually. Anyway, so is there someone who's close to Rohit that, you know, makes you jealous? No? And what about your first crush?
I think my first crush happened when I was 11 or 12 years old.
So young, baby.
Yeah.
Who's
it's
the
not young.
young?
It's not that young actually.
It
11
is.
to
12 is
11
fine,
is
yeah,
decent,
to
yeah.
be. Okay, so now after so much of gupshup and interesting stories, let's get into some fun zone. Let's play a game.
Okay.
So I'm going to play a compatibility test with the two of you, and there are going to be 3 levels to check your compatibility.
Okay.
So brace yourselves.
Done.
Okay, done. And there will be 3 rounds, okay?
Okay.
And one more thing, whoever wins will get a surprise gift.
Yay!
Yay! So as I said, brace
Yeah.
yourselves.
Chalo.
Be ready. See,
I'm
and
very competitive, huh?
I know, I'm
Let's do
sure.
this.
I will ask the question and like the partner will say the answer right. So level 1 is knowing me, knowing you, the basics, okay? So Anita, what is Rohit's favorite color?
Color black.
Who is Anita's best friend?
Nazneen.
Okay. What does Rohit normally do in his free time?
He's on his phone.
Yeah, ठीक है.
See, you
Okay.
agree. Which was the day you guys met for the first time?
21st.
My thing is
Oh, sorry.
21st Jan
Oh,
2010.
Correct.
chalo. And which is his favorite sport?
What is that? Recently, there was this martial arts guy, and that what is that
Boxing,
sport?
it's called.
Boxing. Sorry. I was confused.
What is
between
that sport?
WWF and boxing. Yeah,
Is it
boxing.
true?
No, that's not.
What is
cricket.
your favorite? But I've never seen you enjoy cricket that much.
We own a cricket team.
I was
We
just
own
gonna
a
say
cricket team.
BCL.
BCL.
Even I was like,
Yeah, so -1.
okay.
I'm
minus-
leading. Am I leading?
See, now he's
I'll
gonna
tell that
start
later.
lying.
Okay, what is Anita's shoe size?
Where is gone?
Right?
Yeah.
Level
ठीक है.
2, okay? These are funny things and curiosities about both of you. Anita, which is the household thing that you dislike to do the most and you have never done?
Yourself.
Like me myself. I don't like cleaning my cupboard.
Okay, true?
Yeah, true.
Okay, if you could be a superhero, what would you choose and why?
Iron Man.
Why?
Right?
Why? Because technology, all the power, and he's actually not a superhero. He's built himself because of technology. So he's human also.
Okay, nice.
He is a huge fan. Yeah.
Big.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So level 3, okay, only for experts. Because see, this is compatibility was in the first thing, but it's also on your interesting answers. Okay, remember that. What's the one secret you've been too embarrassed to tell him?
That I failed in class too. I'm embarrassed to tell this to anybody.
Oh, so cute.
Very cute, actually.
Okay. Does it bother you if she looks at another guy and says he's sexy?
Sexy.
She says it to me, no? He's sexy.
She can't be like, "Hey, you're sexy, man." There's a difference. Correct? So
Okay,
my answer is correct.
I'll say to you, he's sexy. Okay.
Yeah, so that's okay, but that's it.
That's it, limit set, boundary.
I love this question, and I'm gonna make the most of this answer.
Yes, he's sexy.
I think at every party, I'm gonna like, baby, he's sexy.
Your answer is not matching your actions at all.
I don't know how to frame this, but yeah, chalo, theek hai.
Okay, no problem. How would you describe love?
Honesty, compatibility, friendship. Actually, I would describe love what we have. Matlab, that's the best
ideal.
way to describe
So cute.
love. Yeah.
Ideal couple.
We are best friends. Like, I don't have to hesitate to say anything in front of him, be it work related, family related, or something really, really embarrassing. I can share anything and everything with him.
That's great. That's how it should be, right? You can speak anything under the sun.
Good answer.
So, coming to the last one, Rohit. What is the one quality probably that irritates you about Anita?
And she's always right.
Oh, what an answer. And one more question to you guys. What is your health culture though?
3 things actually. Right nutrition, workouts, and
Water,
sleep.
stay fit.
These 3 pillars.
Okay. You?
I believe drink a lot of water, and you have to sleep well, and you have to be happy and content within. Only then will you be.
Okay.
You have to be happy.
Yeah.
Everything is related to the way you are from within. You have to be a happy
True.
person.
And considering both your questions, I'm going to decide who gets the hamper. So, let me think. I will give the hamper to Rohit Reddy.
Bring it on, bring it on. Bring it
You
on.
want to say something nice? You just said
So
I'm
I think it's
biased.
a beautiful show and Bobby is absolutely
And all of
unbiased
this is
and-
because his looks. I don't believe it. Got carried away. इससे डर गए
And-
आप.
Okay.
Yes.
Wishing you good health and good life.
Thank you.
And the best part is एक ही घर में hamper जा रहा है.
Yes.
Yes.
Baby, show
I
me.
hope you guys like it. Check
Let's
it
make
out.
this a
Check it
culture.
out.
Wow.
Ru, do you like it?
Oh yeah. it's
Love
so
it. Thank you so
cool.
much.
Anyway, so let's get into one more small little game.
Okay.
It's called the famous Tamsharaz.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
So basically, it's not on movies. It's just sign language.
Okay.
Like, just think that, you both can't talk. And I'll just give you a situation. There are chits here.
Okay.
And you got to act out the situation.
Since
So-
he's not an actor, he should start.
Yay! I was just going to
Okay.
ask. You just gave the answer.
Done.
Okay, we're starting with Rohit then.
Okay.
Super. Please pick a chit. Can I see it?
Yeah.
लड़की, सुंदर, खूबसूरत, कॉस्ट्यूम, आउटफिट, कपड़े, डिजाइनर अच्छे नहीं है. कुछ फैशन सेंस नहीं है. उतार दो. कपड़े उतार दो. कपड़े उतार के नए कपड़े पहनो.
Ah, not bad. She's saying, "Kapde utar do." Okay,
Done.
Anita, your acting skills are test. Please pick a chit and show it
Oh
to me
dear
also.
God. I am terrible.
Don't show him, okay? It's cheating.
Ah, okay.
Dance. Music. You love the music. Let's play some good music. Let's play lovely music. Let's play romantic music.
What is the full sentence word?
Yeah, sit.
Let's play some romantic music. No. Let's
Yeah, fine. No, it's okay. I can give it to him.
हाँ क्या था
Let's
थोड़ा
put
Put-
on.
put
Let's put on.
some
ठीक है, let's
romantic.
play, yeah,
Close.
let's play
Let's
some,
play
yeah.
some romantic.
Close.
Not bad.
Close.
Wow.
हाँ.
Both of you all are equal in everything. Huh? Okay, Ro.
Shahrukh Khan, Aagale lag ja, come give me a hug. Let's hug, cozy, hug. Snuggle.
Complete the sentence.
Come baby, let's snuggle.
Smuggle.
Let's smuggle a snuggle.
How cute. How cute.
Very accurate, huh?
Last one of the night.
Music. फिर से. Music. Song. Song. My favorite song. Me. I'll sing. Come, please sing for me.
Whoa! Rohit is good. We have to give it to him. Definitely. Wow.
I win this also?
There's no prize.
But before winning anything, you have to sing for me.
Yeah, I think that's true. The sentence was, please sing
A song for me. Okay, but please don't judge me because of this. Okay, so तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना और बेसुरा सनम कि हमें गाना ही नहीं आता हम इसके लिए क्या क्या गाएंगे अब बस.
Well, amazing, Rohit. I have not judged your singing, but I've judged your love for her.
I'm still the one with the hamper.
Patience, you've judged
I've
my
judged your
patience.
love for Anita. I've judged your genuinity. I've
you.
judged your heart.
Thanks a lot.
So that's what I've judged. And guys, on a parting note, tell me one thing: how important is your smartphone to you in your life?
Day-to-day life.
Yeah.
Extremely, I think in today's life, we can't function without our smartphones. Everything is just a click away, a button away. So yeah, it's extremely important and I can't see myself without a phone.
Yeah, me too. And you?
Without a smartphone, I think we'll be dumb enough. Yeah.
We'll be lost.
We'll be lost. I'll be
Yeah,
lost.
absolutely.
Actually.
Okay, so on that note, I think we should get a centric selfie moment.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, guys, for being here at Showbiz with Barbies. And one more thing to make you all happy.
We love goodies. Come on, bring it.
Of
Which I'm
course,
not
and
sharing
this
with
Rohit
him.
and Anita, I'm sure you all will love it. It's a 1-year organic food supply
Wow.
from the Bombay Natural Company. So you can have organic food for 1 year.
It's a lucky day.
And one more thing, guys. These are Bluetooth speakers
Wow.
from global advertisers.
I mean,
Superb.
how lovely. Yeah.
Hope you like
Thank you
this
so much.
too.
Thank
You're
you.
most welcome. Thanks a ton.
Thank you so much.
Bye. See you. See you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you very soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box 8. Order food online.